Okay, we're looking at example 10. Find the two angles theta on the unit circle with a cosine of 1/3. Now, what the calculator will do is give you the smallest angle which has a cosine of 1/3, and we have to work out the others for ourselves. Okay, now the domain we're looking at is between 0 and 360 degrees. Alright, now we're aware that all trig functions are positive in the first quadrant, and where else is the cosine positive? Well, it's in the fourth quadrant, and that's because the cosine is the x coordinate of the point on the unit circle. So the other angle is going to be this angle in here, and so that will be 70.53 degrees. Now, if we were to use that angle, we'd have to say it's minus 70.53. Now, we want an angle between 0 and 360, so what we're going to have to do is take that angle away from 360 degrees. So the other possible angle is 289.47 degrees. Okay, so the answer written in green here is that theta can be 70.53 degrees or 289.47 degrees. Okay, moving on to part B, we need to find the two angles between 0 and 360 degrees that have a sine of 3/4. Now, the calculator has given us the answer 48.59 degrees. As we know, that'll be the most, or the smallest angle that has a sine of 3/4. Okay, and it's shown there on the unit circle. Now, we know that sine is also positive in the second quadrant. So the other angle is this one over here. Alright, so I'm going to draw the second angle that we want in red. Now that angle is going to be 180 degrees minus that 48.59. So that gives us an angle of 131.41 degrees. So the answer is theta equals 48.59 degrees or 131.41 degrees. Now, part C of this example, we've got tan theta equals 2. So we have to work out what the angle is. Right, the calculator gives us the smallest angle that has a tan of 2, and that's 63.43 degrees. We have to work out if there is another one in the range 0 to 360 degrees that also has a tan of 2. Alright, what quadrants have a positive tangent? We can see that it's the third quadrant that has a positive tangent. So we could have an angle of 63.4, what we call the working angle, in there. So the angle we want is that angle I've shown in blue. And to find that angle, we're going to add 180 degrees to the 63.43 degrees. Alright, so that gives us an angle of 243.43 degrees. So the answer is theta is 63.43 or 243.43 degrees.